Hi, so what are you gifting your near and dear ones this gifting season? I'm sure you're bored of gifting the same old ready made gifts each time. So here's something different, a self made gift using Penkraft's do it yourself kits, choosing from a wide variety of ethnic and modern art forms on your choice of object. Order a kit of your choice, open it, watch the video tutorial, and make your gift using the materials in the box. It's really that simple. You can order these Penkraft DIY kits on both Amazon as well as the Penkraft website itself. Now let us take a look at the actual box. Here we have a Penkraft dot mandala on kettle DIY kit. Oh wow! This box itself looks like a collectible. Not only is this aesthetically pleasing, but it is also environmentally friendly. So let's open it up and see what's inside. This is a very retro styled kettle. This serves as the surface to do the dot mandala art on. This is a set of dotting tools. With flat tips to give perfect round dots for your dot mandala art piece. And this is a set of 6 different colors: ultramarine blue, sap green, black, lemon yellow, white, and crimson. The speciality of these colors is that you can mix them with each other and get a new unique shade of your choice. So this box contains the tools and all the material you need to make a dot mandala on this retro styled kettle. And here's the cherry on the cake. You get a free video tutorial for the art form that you have ordered the DIY kit for. Each kit comes with a free access to online tutorials specifically tailored for an easy and efficient learning experience. So thanks to Penkraft's DIY kits, you can now make your own gifts at your own pace at your own place, watching the video tutorial on how to do it. And of course, learn the art form in the process. Penkraft DIY kits are available for alcohol ink art, resin art, lip art, dot mandala, pen mandala, Varli painting, goned art, fluid art, Madhubani painting, decoupage and more on a variety of surfaces such as canvas, wall cloth, ceramic mug, MDF box, kettle, MDF board, jewelry box, tote bags, tea coasters, tea tray, passport cover and many others. So have you ordered a Penkraft DIY kit yet?